Hey guys, welcome to the GHL Mastery channel. My name is Charlie. I'll be one of the hosts for this channel. And guys, I want to start off by saying that I am an absolute GoHighLevel fan. It's one of my favorite softwares I've ever used for my businesses. It's incredible. So if you're watching this and you're thinking about using GoHighLevel, I really encourage you guys to at least check it out, play around with it, and see if it makes sense for your business. Now, we've been working really closely with GoHighLevel. Their team is fantastic. The support is amazing. And one thing that we've been able to get you guys is an exclusive 30-day free trial to the software. So essentially you guys can try out GoHighLevel for 30 days. This is longer than the normal 14-day trial that is publicly available. Yeah, we'll have a link down below to that. Now, beyond that, we also have about $15,000 of bonuses that we give our affiliates. Meaning when you sign up with our link, you get a ton of bonuses that are normally not included. And yeah, we've created these bonuses to just give you a way better experience and give you a ton of value. Also, if you're already a paying member of GoHighLevel, you can still take advantage of these bonuses. You can upgrade to the high level pro plan, get a massive discount using our link, and you'll still get access to all of these bonuses. Just go to the link down below, fill out the information there, and put your agency relationship number. You'll find this in your current account. So beyond that 30-day exclusive trial, of course, you're going to get things like free weekly live coaching calls. So these are going to be live Q&A and seminar type videos. They're going to be with GoHighLevel experts, and you'll basically be able to get all your questions answered. You'll also be enrolled in our 90-day bonus challenge, where every 30 days we drop a really amazing bonus template or automation, and each of those bonuses should save you a ton of time. These are all things that I use actually in my own businesses, so you can literally just copy and paste them into your own. We're also constantly rolling out done for you automations. We release these in our free Skool community, and as an affiliate you get access to this community. It's normally $97 per month, but we give it to anyone that signs up with us completely free, so you'll get a lifetime subscription to that. Like I said, we'll have a bunch of live streams in there, we'll have high level trainings, and we'll send out a bunch of free automations, snapshots, and templates. If you're looking to build a website with GoHighLevel too, we'll give you guys website and landing page funnels. These are website funnels that you can basically just copy over into your business, change the text, change some of the content and pictures, and you'll have a really retention optimized landing page. So I really hope you guys can take advantage of some of these bonuses. We really want to incentivize people and give them an amazing experience with GoHighLevel, and I know that these bonuses will do that for you. To start your 30-day trial and get all these bonuses, all you guys need to do is sign up using the link down below. Once you sign up, you will almost immediately receive an email with a free snapshot. This is a snapshot that I use within my businesses. It contains a bunch of automations, workflows, templates, websites, and you can immediately get started customizing those for your own business. If you guys are watching this video and you're contemplating if you should use GoHighLevel or not, I do want to say, I know it can seem like a pretty complicated platform to learn and use on the outside, but it's actually not that difficult at all, especially when you have all the support that you'll get by signing up with us, all the free templates that you can just literally plug and play into your own business. And if you watch any of our tutorial videos on this channel, you can really learn all the functionality in not that much time. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys within the Skool community. Hopefully you guys can take advantage of our free bonuses. And yeah, please soak as much value as you can from this channel. It's all completely free videos that we've made. We just want to give you as much value as we can and make your high level experience go extremely smoothly. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.